Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Tuesday, March 8, 2022. The market continues to trade in extremely high volatile range due to the inflation concern and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. So right now, if you look at the chart of the indices, you can see that the ES continue to bouncing back and forward at the February 21st low here. So the market is trying to put it back up and then come back down, retest. So this is a very strong level of support. There's also a strong level of the buy zone. So, and the market is very oversold. So technically, if the market be able to hold up about this level here, they're looking for a short-term bounce to the upside. But if they take this low here, and then we have more potential that they can get lower to the 4,000 mark here. So let's see how they are laid out. So the market is still a lot of choppy mode related to the political tension. So we have to pay attention for that. But right now, it seems like they found a support here. We'll see the next couple of days and the next week to see market be able to push it up, and then we will go from there. If you look at the Nasdaq, which is the technology stock, they also come and retest the low here. They still hang tight to that level, and let's see they be able to push it up again. Otherwise, the market is still choppy at this moment. You can see that they continue to make it high, low. But however, this area is a strong support. The momentum is still hold tight. They are oversold. So technically, we will see some short-term bounce to the upside. The Russell 2000 it also hang tight into this area here. So they are not moving much, but the momentum is trying to find the way to put it up again. The Dow it also found almost double bottom here, and then they still up and down here at no trend direction, but they are very oversold. So if they be able to fight back up, we're looking for some rebound to the upside. But if they take this low, then more trouble to the market here. If you look at the crude oil right now, it still run like crazy due to the Russia oil issue. So the oil take advantage of that and continue to push it back up. So as long as momentum is still up, you still stick there until they give up. Gold it also extremely bullish, as you can see here. They also it's very strong, and momentum is still put it strong to the upside. So we just hang there until they give up. Okay, and if you look at the volatility index, you can see that today they put it back. So the market have been trading at about 34, 35, 37 level. So the fear index is still make the market is very volatile, as you can see here. So in order for the market to put it back up, this guy have to come down here. Okay, but we see a little bit diversion here. So if they be able to put it back down, that will help the market to move. If you look at the Bitcoin also found a support at the buy zone. They pull back, retest. Now momentum, if they can clear about zero line, the momentum will push it up to the upside again. Ethereum it also put back, found a support. Now they find a way to snap back to the upside also. Now if you take a look on the 11th sector of the S&P 500, you can see that the material they also put it back, retest the buy zone again. So everything is oversold here, but the question here is when are they going to buy back up? So probably need a couple more days, or we will see short-term rebound to push it back up here. You look at the XLC, it also very oversold here. The communication, a lot of sockets they are nosedive to the downside. Okay, they already dropped 60, 70, 80% already. So Let's see if they can hold on to that level. If not, then we have to watch out. But this one here, they are up like rock here. Okay, we need to have some pullback, make a new high for the trend to reverse. The energy is that look pretty strong and continue to push it back up, but the people they start taking a profit on the upside. Momentum is losing here, so yeah, okay. You have the old stock, you trade them, but have to manage your stop loss very well there. Financial is still trouble back and forward here. They have some strong support here. Let's see if they can hold on to this level. The industrial is still choppy, okay, but some wood stock they are still doing well, like Capitella. It continues to shoot it up to the upside here. It's very strong and powerful move here from the bottom to the top. And let me see here. Okay, a lot of. Let me take a look on the. Okay, so this one Lockheed Martin is still strong, but they are too extended, so people take profit today also. Look at the technology. Technology is still go back here, so they have some support here. So tomorrow, if they're able to bow back up, and then they can find some support level and put it back up. Okay, but if it's not, then and if you see another red candle, then even more trouble for the market. Also on the technology stock there. The XLP with consumer stable, they are losing momentum also. And let's take a look on the, okay, so this, the interest rate, it try to put it back up again, the 10-year treasury note, it continue to put it up. So definitely inflation is try to put it to the upside again, to reset this level again. So that's why it's called problem. Okay, so this one is going up. Then consumer stable losing momentum. Okay, so that's why you have to watch out for a lot of stock in the consumer stable, like McDonald's. Okay, so those stock people take a profit already, they run fast to the downside, as you can see here. Okay, another Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and accept, one good stock here. I can see it, Costco, it's still hang tight to the upside there. Okay, the real estate it also rebound, but they still have a problem at this level here, so they are trying to pull back down again. They're looking for some support before they can go higher. The utility is also strong there, but they are right at the sell zone, so be careful here. Okay, they may run out of gas, they need to pull back down. So let me see, NVE, some stock here, yep. So they hit to the level of pivot resistance, so they pull back down before they can move again. Let me see here, the UK. Okay, yep. So people start taking a profit right at the sell zone. So if you have those stocks, you have to watch out carefully. EVN, another one here. Okay, so a lot of stock it very strongly move upside, but however they are too fast. So you have to manage your stop loss. If they drop below the upper support line here, then you need to get out. The XLV, which is healthcare sector, is still try to put it back up. They couldn't put to this sell zone here, so now they pull back down again and reset and fill up the gap here before they can move higher. Okay, but some stock is pretty good one. DMY, right? It still hang tight to the upside there. AMGN, Amgen. Yep, they come back, hit some resistance, they pull back a little bit there. Let me see, Johnson, A&J, Johnson. Okay, so this stock here still have some trouble at the level of the sell zone here, so they cannot punch through it. So technically they have to pull back down before they can find a momentum to put it up again. Okay, XLY will be a consumer discretionary. It's very weak. This sector it totally collapsed. Okay, they continue to make it low, high, low, low. Right now they try to test the double bottom here. So it depends on tomorrow if they can snap back, and then we can file support. Okay, so many times they pull back down, file support, they buy back up. So let's see if they can hold up this time again in a very oversold area too. Okay, so the overall the market is still try to find a support in this level here. Okay, so if they be able to hold the support in this buy zone, and this is a long-term trend support also. Okay, the market is still have a potential short-term rebound. Okay, it's not bull yet, but at least it have a potential to push it back up. So yet pay attention for that, and let's see how the market lay out this week, and then we will go from there, and then we will update for you. Okay, so that's all I have for you for the market update, and let's see how it lay out, and good luck to you. Take care, and we'll see you during the week.